Dear children, yesterday I was taught you नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज लैंड सॉयल एंड वाटर। इसमें आपको इम्पॉर्टेंट पढ़ा दिया था, लैंड रिसोर्सेज पढ़ा रहा था, जिसमें पेज नंबर 122 में द एबिलिटी ऑफ लैंड ह्यूमन यूज आर वेरी लिमिटेड ये पढ़ा रहा था। उसी के नीचे fertile plains and river valleys are densely populated as they are suitable for agriculture. Similarly, mineral-rich areas also support too dense population. The subtropical and mid-latitude zones are occupied by the two-thirds of the world population. Desert and polar areas are particularly uninhabited, while grassland of Asia, Africa and tropical forests of South America, Africa and Southeast Asia are scantily populated. These areas are inhabited by people who are mostly engaged in hunting, gathering, fishing, herding and growing some crop. Antarctica is uninhabited except for the temporary occupation by few scientists for research purpose. Now, land use. Land is used for different purposes such as cultivation of crops, grazing of animals, building houses and roads, mining, manufacturing, etc. This is known as land use. The proportion of land put to such usage varies from one region to another. This is called land use pattern. It is also varies within a region over time. The ever-growing population has been responsible for changes in land use pattern. It has led to conversion of forest areas into croplands and croplands into non-agriculture uses such as building, road, etc. The land use pattern of the country depends on a number of factors such as topography, soil, climate, availability of water and mineral resources. In fertile and well-watered lands are used as croplands. Occurrence of mineral resources favors mining. Besides, economic and human factors are also important. For example, areas having low grade ores may not develop mining owing to high cost of production. Similarly, densely populated areas encroach upon forest and cropland to make room for building houses, roads, rail, etc. Following table show the land use pattern select countries of the world. पेज नंबर 123 देखें, ये टेबल बनी है, यूज ऑफ लैंड का पैटर्न है। तो आप इसको पढ़ें, देखें, समझें, ना समझ में आए फिर पूछें। This table reveals that Indian possesses the highest percentage of area under the cropland. France and United Kingdom have more than 1/4 of their respective area under cultivation, while Canada, Australia, Russia, Brazil and China registered under 10% area under cropland. Environmentally speaking, a country must possess 33% of the area under forest. Unfortunately, however, most countries, including India, do not fulfill this norm. According to the given table, only Japan, Brazil, Russia, and Canada are favorable placed, while the United States of America stand close to required percentage. Animals, especially domesticated, are very useful for humans. Indian possess a large number of livestock population, yet it has a very small percentage of area under the pasture. Canada, Japan, and Russia also have very small percentage of area under pasture, while Australia, United Kingdom, China, USA, and France are fortunate in this respect. The table also illustrates that livestock raising and related economic activities are well developed in Australia, United Kingdom, China, France, and Brazil. Forestry, lumbering are well developed in Japan, Brazil, Russia, Canada, and the USA. As land is a fixed asset, there tends to be stiff competition among various land use in a given country, keeping in view the nature of land and the needs of the community. Land use has to be planned properly to give the best result. Careless use of land may lead to problems like shortage of cropland, soil erosion, deforestation, and desertification. Now, soil resources next day.